Hey guys, this is Regine. Today I want to show you a seventh grade skill. The skill is to how can we recognize and represent proportional relationship between quantities. So what this is saying is, all right, let's say we have an XY table. All right, and we have this value on our XY table, these values. And let's say we want to figure out if these values are proportional. Well, if we want to figure out if values are proportional, what we have to do is we have to divide our y coordinates by our x coordinate. So our y coordinate, let's say for the first one, well, it's 6. 6 divided by 1. Remember, guys, fractions are division. So 6 divided by 1 is 6. All right, but can we be sure that this whole data set is proportional? Well, let's try the second one, because whatever is true for one, it has to be true for all of them for it to be proportional. Well, so we take the pair of 12 and 2. Y is 12, x is 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. And finally, we do 24 and 4. And 24 and 4 is also 6. So we can say, yes, this is proportional. So this is going to help us. One way that's going to help us is to memorize this equation. If we want to know the constant of proportionality, the value that mathematicians use, at least and definitely in 7th grade, if the letter is K, the variable that stands for is K. And so to find K, the constant of proportionality, you divide y by x right here. So K equals y over x, which is what we did. So we found that in this problem, K equals 6 each time, and it was proportional. All right, let's try another one. All right, let's see if you can solve for K in this problem. All right, so you can pause the video and try to solve for K. You might even be able to see it on your own. I did not give you very challenging problems. So remember, K equals y divided by x. So if we just do 4 divided by 1, that's 4. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we can see that the constant of proportionality, our K value, is 4 for this, because it is true for all of these numbers. All right, so let's try another one. All right, let's see if we can solve the constant of proportionality here. You can pause the video and try. Well, remember, our formula, is, if we're solving for K, our formula is K equals y over x. So if we do 11 divided by 1, that's 11. 17 divided by 2, that's 8.5. Well, I can stop here with this problem. It is not proportional. I don't need to try the other one, which I believe would be maybe like 6 point something, but I don't need to try it at this point. I can see that it's not proportional. So nope, this is not proportional. All right, let's try another one. All right, you can pause the video and try it on your own and come back and see if you have the right answer. All right, remember the formula is K equals y over x. So if we do 3 divided by 2, nope, that's a little too sloppy. If we do 3 divided by 2, In this case, like I do know it's 1.5 if we want the decimal version of it. If we do 9 divided by 6, you can use a calculator or you can do long division. But if you want the decimal version of it, it is 1.5. If we do 12 divided by 8, you know what? You can also simplify these. And you would just get the original again. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So again, we know that's 1.5. And the last one, 15 divided by 10. Well, you just think of what's the greatest common factor. Well, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So again, we have that 1.5. And so that tells us that our K, our constant of proportionality, is 1.5. All right, guys. So today we learned how to find the K value, the constant of proportionality. Oh, actually, let me give you guys one more because I've been showing you tables, but you might see something written like this. If you see it as ordered pair, it is still the same thing. So they will give you a list of ordered pair. All right, so if we want to find the K value for our ordered pairs here, we will still do the same thing. We will take to find K, we will take our Y. So for example, let's try this one, 8 divided by 2, and that is 4. We can do 12 divided by 3, and that is 4. We can do 16 divided by 4, and that is 4. And of course, we can see that 4 divided by 1 is 4. So our K value here, constant of proportionality, is 4. So again, to summarize, today we learned how to find the constant of proportionality, our K value of a number. We do this by dividing the Y by the X, and that will give us our constant of proportionality. If you do not get the same answer for each pair of numbers, their X and Y value, then they are not proportional. When you get to 8th grade, there will be other things, linear equations that you will learn, but they are not proportional. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.